and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing some of Pretty Little Thing's shape range, and I picked a load of denim items. So I think they've recently updated their collections ready for spring, and they've uploaded some really nice sort of denim outfits. So these aren't just jeans, I have got two pairs of jeans, but it's sort of skirts, tops, dresses, and all in really nice sort of neutral denim tones. So I'm really excited to try all of this, and it's for their hourglass figure range, so hopefully it's all going to fit really nice. So I'm optimistic, but let's see what it looks like. So I've just popped my glasses on because my eyes were irritating me, so apologies if you can see reflections in my lenses, but let's get to it. So the first thing I got is a two-piece. Now I think you buy the pieces separately, and it's this top and skirt, so I will make sure everything's linked down below along with the sizes I'm wearing in it so you guys can check it all out. But it's this nice long pencil skirt with a leg slit, which I really like, because with pencil skirts, especially denim ones, you're going to need a slit in order not to be waddling everywhere, and I like the fact it's on the leg rather than at the back. I think that's just kind of like a nice, sexy alternative. It is stretchy, which is brilliant because it's for us shapely gals, and the waist looks really nice and small on this actually, and it's got a lovely zipper up the back, so should be easy enough to get on, so I really like that one. And then the matching top is just a really nice boob tube, which, to be honest, you can probably get away with wearing this with a lot of things, which is kind of what I wanted. I thought this top would actually just look really cute in the summer. So we'll see what it looks like together. So I got them both in a size 8, and then I liked it so much on the model that I thought I would try it in a different colour. So they also do it in, they call it like ecru, probably pronouncing this, no, ecru. I have no idea how to pronounce this, but it's this colour, and it's kind of like this off-white denim, and I'm not sure if this is just going to make me look really pale. I don't think it is the right colour for me, but it looked really cute nonetheless, and it's just the bandeau sort of style top, and then the skirt is the same as the blue denim one in that it's high-waisted with a leg split. Although saying that, the waist looks bigger on this one, even though I got it, it's a size 8 as well, and these should be identical, so. Oh wow, they're both size 8. That is a good 2-inch difference. Look at that. They're literally from the same page on the Pretty Little Thing website. Both, unless they've accidentally given me a size 6 in the blue one, but the tags both say size 8. And they're both a denim split front midi skirt. That's interesting. So we haven't got consistency across their sizes here. So I'll try on the blue set first, and then we can try on this ecru colour one. I'm just going to call it white, and the white denim set, and we can see how they fit. But this, look, that is a big difference. Interesting. Let's put them on and go from there. So this is how this one fits, and oh my god, I love it. The waist fits perfectly. I really like the boob tube. I think I could wear this with denim shorts or jeans, but it's lovely that I can wear it with the matching skirt, and it kind of looks like a dress, which I love. I don't have any sort of bucket back. It hugs me like around above my bum and obviously round my bum. I know that sounds weird, but if you guys watch my channel, you know I sometimes suffer with this bit here being really baggy, but on this skirt it actually like goes in there, which I love. Obviously stretchy denim, so I can move in it fine, and it's got a slit, which just means I can sass walk extra easy. So no, I really like this one. I love how the line here kind of like goes with the skirt. No, I really like the feel of this one. The length of it, it's a really nice length if I wear like wedge heels. No, I'm feeling this one. I love this two-piece. So I got both in a size 8. I'm now going to try on the white one, which we saw is actually a complete different size to this one, even though it's meant to be the same. So keep that in mind when you're buying, because the waist was like 2 inches bigger on the white one. So I don't think it's going to fit, not like this anyway, because this one is like perfect. So absolutely love this one. But this is how it fits, and there is a serious sizing difference with this set versus the blue one. Like, can you guys see that? We can fit a whole person back here. So I'm not sure what's going on, because these skirts, they literally come from the same page on Pretty Little Thing. You can either pick this lovely colour or the denim blue one, so they should be identical, and the top fits pretty much identical, but this skirt I definitely think it's a size 10 with a size 8 tag, because my hips still fit in it, so I don't think it's bigger than a size 10, but there's a significant waist difference here. And also I think it's a little bit longer, which is why I think it's a 10, because it's just all round a little bit bigger. But yeah, not sure on this one anyway. I think the colour just might not be right for me. Let me know what you think, but compared to the denim blue one, I much prefer that one, so I'm glad this is the bigger one. But if you want to order this one, just be wary that there might be a sizing issue with the size 8 ones. There also might be no problem at all and I just got unlucky, but all I can do is go off what I've received. So yeah, there's definitely a few inches to spare in this one. Like, geez, the blue one fit me so beautifully as well. Oh, I'm sad. But yeah, I think this colour just might not be right for me as well. Let me know what you think, but I think it just doesn't do anything for me. But the top fits lovely, so I think the top works. I just think altogether it's a bit too much. I don't know, but I just can't get over this. Like, look at that. Anyway, let's move on. Next things I got is a 2-piece. It comes in separate purchases though, I believe, so you buy the top and the jeans, which is good because I guess you can alter the sizes. Now this looked so cute on the model, I thought at least, but can we just look, let me move my massive hair out the way. It's a nice denim halter top, but if I tie this around my neck, just look, there is not enough material. It doesn't even cover my nipples, I'm pretty sure. So up there, the amount of side boob that would be out for this, and it's got all this excess material like sewn into the seam, but it doesn't have enough to cover boobs, and this is meant for the shape range. Like, the whole shape of my boob will be out if I wear this. So I'll put it on with a top underneath and we can see what we're dealing with. But I just thought it was going to be so cute, and I actually went back to the model, I'll link it down below so you can check it out, and she's strategically put her hair like either side of the top so you can't see her spillage of boob, and I'm like, ah, I didn't notice that. But anyway, I got them in a size 8. I might be able to do something with them because I thought they'd look really cute with the matching jeans, but bit of an issue that. And then the jeans that go with it are these beautiful 3/4 length light blue ones. They're lovely and high-waisted, and I just thought they'd look really like pin-uppy, and I'm all about the sort of vintage vibe at the moment, so I thought they'd be really cute. So I'm happy about the jeans, they look great. I'm not sure how this is gonna look, and I've got to say, I loved it so much. Yep, I even got it in black. And it won't cover my boobs either, this one. They're literally both the same. So they literally just cut down the middle of my boob. It's so annoying. But they've got all the material they need is just sewn into the seams inside. So I'm a little bit confused, especially because it's in their shape range. Like, maybe I could understand in their normal stuff because it's not made for people with as much curvature, but they could have done better on that one. But I did get the matching 3/4 length jeans for the black top as well, so I'll put it all on together. So I'll try on the blue set first and then we can see what the black ones look like. I'm wearing a bra, which I think actually makes it look better than it is, but if you look at where these cut, if I don't wear a bra, I physically can't wear it without, like, as soon as I walk, I completely flash. Like, this panel here, we need another inch going round in order for it to be decent, and the worst thing is the material is all here, it's just sewn in. I don't get it. So yeah, this one, unfortunately, I thought it was going to be super cute, but I can't get away with it. So I don't know whether to alter it to make it work for me, but then I've got the denim boob tubes, which I think look cute anyway. And looking at this set together, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I like it together. I love the jeans, like they're these really cute sort of 3/4 length, a little bit pin-uppy, really high-waisted blue jeans, and they fit beautifully. Like, I think they are really flattering. I really like them, super stretchy, which is great. But then with a halter top, I'm just like, don't know, it kind of looks like a different denim. Yeah, see, I'm not feeling the top, but I'm feeling the jeans. And a good thing about this set is you buy them separately anyway, so you can get away with it. But no, the jeans fit really nice. So no, I'm really happy with the trousers, and to be honest, they'll go with loads of things anyway. The top was just a cute extra, but I can live without it, I think. But let me know what you think. But even if like I try and raise it, that's probably, I'd want that much material to keep me decent round the chest, but then look at all this like excess. I could literally like put it around my mouth in order to tie it. Like I'd have to strangle myself. There's like a good inch too much there. So I've just got this like frilly bib to wear it where I want to. So the top, I wouldn't recommend, but the trousers, go for it. I really, really like the jeans. So we've got the exact same problems with the black one as we had with the blue one. This top, it's just not made for boobs. Like I need more material to like feel secure, and then it just doesn't go as a halter anymore. So I think the top's just a poorly designed top, especially for shape range, because, you know, I don't want the whole shape of my boob out, but it's made for hourglass figures, so I would have thought they'd take into account boobs, but apparently not with this top. But the jeans, they fit exactly like the blue ones, and they're just super cute. I always find black is really hard to show on camera, but take my word for it, these are so nice. Like, they're really figure hugging, they're really easy to move in, and I really like the length of them. Like, for summer, these will just look so cute, especially with like a belt because they're so high-waisted. I really like the jeans. I think they fit beautifully. Sorry, there's like strings everywhere. No, I really like the jeans, and to be honest, not everything works, does it? So the top's not fitting, the rest fits nice, so it's not a problem. So the next thing I got is a pair of high-waisted shorts. Now these are from their shape range, and I'm always intrigued to try denim shorts because I'm not a fan of having my bum cheeks hanging out, but I like wearing shorts in the summer, and us curvy girls, sometimes we don't have a choice. But these actually look pretty decent. So they're lovely and high-waisted, nice and stretchy. I mean, the test will be whether the pockets actually sit on my bum, but I like the look of them, love the colour, and I got them in a size 8, so we'll see how these fit. I'm optimistic, fingers crossed, but I'm always searching for good fitting shorts, especially for people with figures like mine, so let's see what these look like. This is how they fit, and to be honest, I think I found the shorts I'm going to be wearing all summer long. These are a fabulous fit. They are super high-waisted, they don't wedgie you at the front, which is a big thing with shorts. Length at the back, like pretty damn good actually. I've not got much fallout at all. I call it fallout. Basically you can't see my bum cheeks hanging out the base. They're a really good length, like considering how hard it usually is for me to find shorts. I really like these. They don't have any pockets at the front, which I just realised as I tried to put my hands in, but the pockets at the back, they're not stitched up, so you have those. Not that you'll really put anything in them, but no, I really like these, and I love the colour of them. Like, these are going to look great for summer. I think they're a really good pair of shorts. Like, they're a good length, these ones, so I really recommend these. If you're struggling to find shorts and you've got a bit of a curvy figure, give these ones a go, because I'm actually really impressed with these. I feel very held in, so I like these ones. Next things I got are the denim dresses. Now I got these in 2 different colours, so I got the dark blue and light blue one, and I wanted to try 2 sizes, so I got a size 10 in the dark blue, which is this one, and a size 8 in the light blue. So I just thought these are really quite cute denim dresses, and they kind of look like a corset at the top. I don't know if you can see the way they've done the lines, and I liked these little points, but yeah, we'll see what they look like on. Beautifully stretchy. Like, I cannot explain to you how nice the denim is. It's so stretchy and so comfy to wear. So I'm hopeful they're going to fit. It's just whether the style's going to look right, and I just wanted to see if a 10 might be a bit more of a relaxed fit or whether it'll be way too big. I was kind of trial and erroring the sizing here, so I'll go throw them on and we can see how they fit. This is how it fits, and I actually really love the neckline of it. I really like these points here. I just think it's quite unusual, but no, I really like that because I love strapless dresses, but I like how these ones have something a bit different about them. Only thing I'm not sure on is all the like stitching going on and the way the skirt joins to the top. It kind of makes like a bump here, but I mean, that's a minor detail. The actual dress itself, I mean, it hugs my curves beautifully. I feel really nice in it. Really stretchy denim, so it's really easy to move in. You've got a nice slit at the back, so easy to walk in. And I mean, it hugs my legs lovely and my hips, so I couldn't ask for more with that. And I really like these seams down the skirt. I think they're really kind of flattering on a curvy figure. I don't know, let me know what you think, but there's something I really like about this dress, but also something I'm not sure on, and I think it's all the stitching, but I think it could grow on me. I mean, it fits beautifully. I couldn't ask for a better fit, so No, I like this one, but I'm intrigued I'm intrigued to see what you guys think. This is how the dark blue one fits, and considering it's a whole size bigger, I've got to say it fits really nice. It's not going to fall down at all because it is strapless, so I was a bit unsure with a size 10 whether it would just fall down, but I actually really like the fit of it. It's a bit more of a relaxed fit, but I kind of think it works with this type of dress. And I mean, I think the stitching looks nicer in the dark blue one, but let me know what you think. But it hugs all my curves really nice. It's not too big around my waist. No, I really like this one. I think it fits lovely. So let me know what you think. But I think they both work. The fit is different in a size 8 to a size 10, but they both work, I think. So no, love this one. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed. Please check out all the links in the description box. I've linked all the outfits you saw in this video and also all the links to my social medias. So check that out if you're interested. But thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.